Master Power BI in 20 minutes. Ultimate beginner's guide to Power BI. Welcome back to Orage Technologies. If you have ever wanted to turn raw data into insightful visuals or build powerful dashboards, then this video is for you. Today, we are diving into Power BI, one of the most popular data visualization tools out there. What is Power BI? Power BI is a business analytics tool by Microsoft that lets you visualize your data and share insights across your organization. It connects to hundreds of data sources, simplifies data preparation, and drive ad hoc analysis. Installing Power BI Desktop. To get started, you'll need to download and install Power BI Desktop, which is completely free. Head over to Microsoft's official website, download the installer, and follow the simple installation steps. Once it is installed, open it up and you are ready to go. Interface overview. Now, let's take a quick tour of the Power BI interface. Here you will see the three main areas: the report view, where you build your visuals, the data view for inspecting data tables, and the model view to manage relationships between tables. Connecting to data sources. Next up, connecting to your data. Power BI supports a wide range of data sources like Excel, SQL Server, and even online sources like Google Analytics. For this tutorial, we'll connect to an Excel file. Simply click on Get Data, select your file, and import it. Data cleaning and transformation. Power Query. Cleaning messy data? Power BI has got you covered with Power Query. Here you can remove duplicates, split columns, and transform your data to make it analysis ready. Creating visuals, charts, graphs, maps. Now comes the fun part, creating visuals. Power BI offers a variety of charts like bar graphs, pie charts, and even maps. Simply drag and drop fields onto the canvas to build your visualizations. Want to show sales trends? Use a line chart. Want to compare categories? Go for a bar chart using filters and slicers. Filters and slicers help you narrow down your data to specific segments. Use them to make your reports interactive. For example, you can filter sales data by region, product category, or time period. Building interactive dashboards. Let's bring everything together by creating a dashboard. Dashboards are great for showcasing your key metrics at a glance. Drag your visuals into one page, adjust their sizes, and voila, you have a fully interactive dashboard ready to share. Publishing reports to Power BI service. Once you're satisfied with your report, it's time to publish it. Click on the Publish button to send your reports to the Power BI service. From there, you can share it with your team, embed it in a website, or even schedule automatic refreshes. Final tips and practices. Use consistent color schemes for better readability. Keep your visuals simple. Less is often more. Always validate your data to ensure accuracy. And there you have it. A quick but thorough guide to Power BI. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more data-driven content. Comment below if you have any questions or topics you'd like us to cover next. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.